Hey y'all, it's me, Lynn Daniel, coming to you today on the Buddy Zone. So I have a little guest here with me. She's waving. Look at her. She's like, let me see. This is my granddaughter, Rosalind. Now, I'm sneaking to put her on this video because I know her parents don't. But anyway, I'm babysitting and I get to do what I want to do. So today is Dr. Martin Luther King Day. And Rosalind and I had planned on going to the march. Well, that didn't work. That didn't happen. No, it didn't. All of our plans for the day pretty much flew out the window. And that's the thing that little kids kind of run it, don't they? They just run it. And we run around in it. So we're sitting here enjoying each other. She's signing what she wants. And she's waving at the camera right now. You see your Mimo? You're waving at your Mimo? And she's signing what she wants, like more, two hands together. And I'm telling her to say it. So I'm saying more, more, more. And then I point to her and do this. And she'll say more. So hopefully she'll continue to do that. But, yeah, I just came to say hi, all right? Wave, Rosie, wave. Wave. Say bye. All right, y'all, I'm going to go. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be blessed. Bye.